So FUEL3D as a company is a company that has a 3D scanning technology. So we produce one consumer product right now called the Scanify, which is this product here. The underlying technology essentially uses 2 cameras and 3 flashes. We get surface detail by taking 2 pictures from 2 different directions, and then we do that 3 different times with 3 different lighting directions, which illuminates detail. So similar to the way that holding a flashlight under your face on Halloween lights your face in one direction, we light it from 3 different directions and then get surface detail from that. All kinds of stuff. So everything from something like this, where an artist like Josh Harker is taking a face scan and then doing his art to it and creating a piece out of it, to people using it as a front end for 3D printing and customization. And then we also do custom scanning solutions as well. So things like orthotic scanners, so scanning a foot to create an orthotic, custom eyewear. There's all sorts of applications for 3D scanning. So through a colleague of ours, we actually found out that Josh was going to be involved and we got paired together. We've worked with Josh before on other projects, so it just seemed kind of like a natural fit to be able to take Brian's kind of family and friends and supporters, scan their face, and then create kind of this piece of art around the scans. So the process of doing the scan is actually really straightforward. It works very similar to a 2D camera, and then it takes about 1/10 of a second. If I didn't tell you it was a 3D camera, you wouldn't know you were 3D scanned. You would think I just had like a really funky looking camera that I took a picture of you with. It takes about 20 seconds for it to process, and we just save it out onto a USB and give it to Josh. So from our side, it's actually very straightforward. Most of what he's doing to actually create the piece is on his side, and the rendering and processing is done on our side, but it's very fast. Yeah, so I think honestly everywhere, it's one of those things where it's great as a front end for 3D printing, but there's also kind of this movement towards what we call like the new industrial revolution, where you have customized product but with scalable manufacturing. So instead of buying like a size 9 shoe, you have a foot scan and you're created a shoe that's like custom to your foot, or glasses, or any number of different things, but without the cost of having like a cobbler make a shoe. You've got scalable manufacturing behind it, so everywhere.